Okay, hey guys, we are in Tangier train station
Yes.
in the fastest train in Africa.
Yes.
The first and only bullet train in Africa, which reduces the traveling time to Casablanca from 4 hours and 45 minutes
2 hours.
to about 2 hours and 10 minutes.
Yes.
It also reduces the traveling time from Tangier to Marrakesh from 10 hours and 10.5 hours more or less to less than 5 hours, which
Yes,
is
it's
quite
amazing.
incredible.
And it's quite new. It's been working for a year, no?
It's been working for only 1 year.
For 1 year.
It was built by the French.
Yeah.
Macron, the French president, and the king annulated it last year in a big ceremony. Yeah, so this is the train station, and we'll go inside. We'll show you the train. We'll show you the cards. We'll show you the experience.
Yeah.
And I hope you'll enjoy it. First and only bullet train in Africa.
Yeah.
Woof.
Let's hope that in years to come they will have more of these trains.
Yeah, hopefully.
More
Well,
destinations.
if this one does well, it costs about $2 billion to build, which is a lot of money for Morocco.
Yeah.
It's quite expensive for Morocco, but if it works out for them, then they'll definitely expand the line and improve it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll see you inside. Bye. Okay guys, so we're inside the station, and as you can see, it is very, very modern. We have a Starbucks over here.
Among other coffee shops.
We have Lee Cooper over here, and a few more clothing shops.
Yeah, and I think there's a food court over there.
And there's a food court with McDonald's and a picture of the king, Mohammed VI, and the king of Morocco. He's responsible for this station, which is a very big project, and it's one project amongst many projects that he's trying to lead to take Morocco forward.
Yes.
So it is a monarchy, but compared to other monarchies, I think he is trying to improve the country.
Yes.
And since we don't deal with politics, we'll leave it at that, right? Okay, so we'll show you a little bit more.
McDonald's reaching in Arab. Here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, wait.
And they got also first, second, and tourist class, no? And,
Yeah, no,
on the
they have
train.
first class and second class. And the prices are quite different. We took the second class because it's a €30 difference for 2 tickets.
Yeah.
Babies ride for free.
Yeah.
Which is good. So we'll be able to show you the second class, but since this train is brand new,
Plus, it's a 2 hours ride.
Yeah,
If-
it's only
if
2
it would
hours.
be like
7
7
hours.
hours,
Yeah.
well, I think
We
it's
would.
worth it.
I think so too.
The first class.
I think so too. Okay. So we'll see you on the train, I guess.
Yes.
Right? No, we'll see you on the
On the
in the station,
in the platform.
on the platform, so we can show you the train. It's a beautiful bullet train. It
Yes.
is. It
Yes,
is.
And it's brand new.
And it's brand new. So we'll show that to you, and then we'll show you inside the train. Okay, guys. So we'll see you on the platform.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Okay, guys. So we can't go to the platform yet because they would let us go to the platform only at 11:30, and now it's 11:25. We tried to go to the platform, but they started yelling at us. So we'll wait. This is the bullet train. You see, we'll show it nicer when we get closer. And this is the regular train. Yeah, quite a big difference. We'll show them both when we get closer. So this is the platform, 8 platforms. Over here we have the bullet train. I hope you can see it, but we will get closer. And this is the regular train. Okay, good. Take that.
Give me one of the bags. You can.
So this is the bullet train.
Yes,
And
it is.
we need the tickets. Without the tickets, they probably won't let us on.
Exactly.
Okay, so this is the bullet train. It's beautiful. It's brand new. And we'll see you on the inside.
Yes, we will.
Okay, see you later. Okay, we're moving. The train left exactly at 12:00. Right on time, down to the second.
Yeah, it's like if we were in Germany.
And unlike most trains, at least for now, they're not freezing the compartments. The air conditioner is working, but it's really nice. It's not overwhelming, which usually they freeze you on trains and airplanes. And well, on buses you sweat.
Yeah, the one we took yesterday. Wow.
It was a bit hard one, but it was short, so it was okay.
Yeah.
So we're on the train. As you can see, we're still not moving at rapid speeds, but we just started. This train is supposed to reach around 200 kilometers an hour, and it's going to increase its speed throughout the following years. Right now, it's still sort of experimental mode, the first year. So it's not at full speed yet, but still it'll take only 2 hours and 10 minutes to get to Casablanca.
Yay.
Okay, and here you get to see another bullet train.
Another one. Bye bye. Brother bullet train.
Yeah, as you can see, they built quite a few of them. They plan on having them go throughout the kingdom to all the important cities. Right now, this train reaches only 3 cities: Tangier to Rabat, Rabat to Casablanca. Rabat is the capital, so it's. But they are planning on extending the train to other lines as well, which will make traveling in Morocco and doing business in Morocco much easier and more productive. Okay, guys, so we'll see you, I guess, in Casablanca.
Yes.
Right?